Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you basically how to set up your development environment to develop for Magic Leap 2. So let's get started. I'll share this link. Basically, this link is to the documentation which shows how you can set up your development environment to develop using Unity for Magic Leap 2 platform. So let's get started. Now, the first thing which comes is basically you need ML Hub. ML Hub is basically Magic Leap Hub. So we'll install it first. So once you click on it, it will take you to the link where you can basically install, and it will show you basically the documentation how to install it. So let's get started. We'll go to the download section. You can click on this link. So it will show you for Windows and Mac. As this is Windows, I'll just go ahead and download for Windows. We'll wait for it to download. So now it is like downloaded. I'll just install it. So the wizard is started for installation. I'll just select the default things and just try to go ahead and okay, just next. Yeah, now I've just selected all the default stuffs and it's installing. Make sure like you have Windows 10 or 11. Right now I'm installing on Windows 10, so it should be fine. So I'll just let it be like the shortcuts and everything as it is. I'll close this links. Yeah. So now as you can see, like oops, okay. So this is the window which comes up with Magic Leap. Now it is by default it's the device based device stream and OS installer and Unity Hub. Basically links shortcuts are basically here. Now what I am going to do. So what